guys, it's Caroline and Catherine.
And Catherine.
And our friend Lily's here.
And Caroline's gonna make her thing luminous, her Neon Ginger Cat luminous, and then she'll be able to make her mega.
Okay,
Yes!
let's go make
that
this mega. I mean, not neon. Let's go make this mega.
Let's go, guys.
You've been waiting so long for this.
It's only took like 2 weeks or 1 week actually.
Guys, let's go. Oh my god. I'm dancing while I'm walking.
When I sound like Siren, the Siren guy.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay.
Guys, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys. Caroline, it's like Ben was literally wanting a Mega Ginger Cat, and Lily's helped us, and
Very much.
here, this is her username who helped
Wait,
us.
can I please? Say bye to your Neon.
Goodbye.
Wait, let me say bye to my last my okay. This is this was my first one. Okay. Bye Ginger.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, put down your first, second, third, fourth,
Okay, this was the second one I got.
Oh wait, hold on.
This-
Guys, we gotta guess what one. Wait, where's your? Hold on. Wait, Caroline, take the pet out.
Okay.
Okay, and now tell us all the names of your ginger cats.
Okay.
And then we gotta guess what one's gonna make the full.
The shy face, and then the wave, and then Tabby, and then Fat Cat.
I think Tabby's gonna make your mega. I think Tabby's gonna make your mega.
Fat cat.
I think Tabby.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's
What do you think, Caroline?
I feel like
Don't you dare put Tabby down. Goodbye, Tabby. We loved you. Oh my gosh.
okay.
One
I
more.
want to see it
Two.
though.
Okay.
More.
That cat's gonna be right here. Yep, place it down.
Okay. Last one. Okay, ready?
Ready? 3, guys.
I wanna kiss it goodbye. Wait,
Mwah.
let's see if I can put it. No,
Look
it
at-
is full grown.
Wait.
Guys, ready?
Wait, Karen, wait.
Oh my God.
Get over here. I need to kiss him goodbye. Mwah.
Wait, guys, hold on.
You're literally all the viewers are waiting probably.
Okay, go.
I didn't. Oh my god. Guys!
Oh, it's called Ginger Cat.
Yeah, it's called Ginger Cat. Oh my
Do
god.
you see this?
That is so cute. Caroline, can I?
No one has a Mega Ginger Cat.